Okay, so here we're going to start with the plasma membrane, or the cell membrane, which gives the cell its boundaries, right? And gives the cell also its structure and shape. Now, the plasma membrane is a selectively permeable membrane, which means it only allows certain things to go in and certain things to come out. You also have the mitochondria. The mitochondria produces ATP, which is the energy currency of the cell. It's also known as the powerhouse of the cell because it produces ATP. Then we have the smooth ER, which is this one right here. It's smooth because it does not have any ribosomes attached to it. And the smooth ER produces lipids, which are fats, right? Then we have the rough ER, which has ribosomes attached to it. The ribosomes are these white dots, and these produce protein. So the rough ER is going to produce protein. Then we have the lysosomes. The lysosomes are going to clean out the cell, and they do so by phagocytizing it, phagocytizing debris, worn out organelles. They just eat it up, right? Then we have peroxisomes. Peroxisomes do the same thing as the lysosomes, except they use hydrogen peroxide to do it, and they also get rid of toxins, which is very crucial to cell function, proper cell function. Then we have the centrioles. The centrioles produce the spindle fibers, which are necessary for mitosis. Then we have the Golgi Apparatus. The Golgi Apparatus is like a UPS factory. It kind of packages the lipids, which are produced in the smooth ER, and the proteins, which are produced in the rough ER. It packages them, it modifies them if it's necessary, and it also produces carbohydrates, which are complex sugars. Then we have the Golgi vesicles. The Golgi vesicles are going to transport all of the lipids, proteins, and carbohydrates out of the cell and into the tissues. Inside of the cell, you also have a fluid that we call the intracellular fluid, or the cytosol. It's also sometimes referred to as a matrix, which is all good. Then we have the nucleus. The nucleus is this transparent area right here. The nucleus contains DNA, which is the genetic information that is used to make protein. Then we have the nucleolus. Within the nucleolus, you have the DNA and RNA. You have both DNA and RNA. Then you have the nuclear envelope, which protects the nucleus. And then in the nuclear envelope, you have the nuclear pores. On the nuclear envelope, you have the nuclear pores. The nuclear pores allow the messenger RNA to come out of the cell, but I'll explain what messenger RNA is later on throughout the course, not right now. So nuclear pores just allow things to come out of the nucleus, okay? For now, that's all you need to know. And I believe that's it. I think I covered everything.